Some people think it would be a good idea for schools to teach every young person how to be a good parent. Do you agree or disagree with this opinion? Describe the skills a person needs to be a good parent. Model answer. Nowadays, parenting is considered a very important role in almost every society. I think that school students should definitely receive parenting training, and also believe that effective communication and teaching are two of the most important skills a good parent should have. One reason why parenting should be a school subject is that children spend a lot of time in their schools. For instance, in my country, Iran, they usually spend at least 7 hours a day studying at school, which means they are likely to have enough time to learn and practice good parenting. Furthermore, they usually listen to and follow the instructions provided by their teachers much more effectively compared to what their parents or other people tell them, because they have to pass courses and receive good scores in exams. Therefore, they can learn about good parenting skills from them more effectively. I believe that every good parent should be able to communicate with his or her children so that they can be friends with each other and there are no secrets between them. This would allow parents to guide their children better and protect them from the dangers of society. Besides, parents ought to be able to teach different things such as the difference between good and bad, social skills and scientific knowledge to their children to help them become better people and develop better personalities. In conclusion, I agree that students should be taught about the skills and knowledge that lead them to become good parents in future. I also think every good parent ought to be able to communicate well and teach effectively. Total, 269 words. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.